Alright guys, so we're back with Jennifer's truck, and I've been doing the wiring for the trailer brake. So I have that down there, mounted, or going through the firewall. The blue goes to the back, the pink goes to the back. And then in here, this is where we're mounting the actual trailer brake. So I have the plug-in for the brake wherever I put it. Right here. Yeah, it's a little bit of a mess. Plugs in right there. Got our trailer brake. We're all good here and on the blue. Nice and pretty. So they just have to be routed to the back, and then our wires for the batteries, such as our hot and our ground, need to go to the battery. That might be a tomorrow thing. I'm not sure. I might do it today, might not. Depends on how I'm feeling, because it is getting pretty late. Anyways, guys, just a quick little update here. Later.